Hey, what's going on, guys? Today just doing a little project on the Volvo. Gonna throw some fender mirrors on. I know full well that I won't be able to see shit with these, but I think they look cool, so whatever. Should be fairly straightforward to throw these on. It's literally 4 screws, just gonna send it right into the fender. So yeah, I picked these up off eBay. I think these are for a Toyota Hilux pickup. Yeah, they were fairly cheap, a little bit more expensive to get them to Canada, which kind of sucked, but yeah, I think it'll look really cool once it's done. So yeah, let's go out to the car and we'll start taking off the stock mirrors. So once you get the mirror off, you're kind of left with a little bit of a hole here. So I bought some 22 gauge sheet from Home Depot, so I'm just going to make up a little panel and just cover that over. I'm not sure if I want to actually screw it through those existing holes or just throw some epoxy on it and just glue it on, but not too big of a job. It's a fairly simple shape. So I've marked out where I'm going to mount this thing, and I don't know if you can see that too well, but there's bolts here that hold the fender on, and for me at least the best spot is 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts up, and it will basically just sit like this. So the furthest forward screw hole lines up with the 4th bolt hole on the fender, if that makes sense. But yeah, let's drill some small pilot holes and put these screws in. There's the driver's side mirror on there, and I think it looks really good, especially with the 75 headlights and grille. And you can see it compared to the stock one, which is kind of ugly, in my opinion. But yeah, let's move on to the other side and get that one in there. Alright, so I made this little filler panel to cover over where the mirror was. I'm just tracing it out on that 22 gauge piece of sheet metal that I got from Home Depot. And once we do this, I'll cut it out with the grinder. Yeah, decide if I want to screw them down or just kind of epoxy them down or something. Well, there's the fender mirrors on there. They look pretty sweet. But yeah, definitely can't see a damn thing out of them, but don't really care. Decided to epoxy these panels on after I painted them, so they're just sitting there drying. But yeah, all in all, this was a super easy install. Hardest part was getting the old mirrors off.